Oh, just climbed up a whole bunch of old stairs. Well, the bikes are ready to go. It's been an awesome time in Xilitla.
Hey.
I can't believe it, but we are done. You are heading south and I'm heading west.
Yep.
What did you think of Xilitla?
Oh, Xilitla was a lot of fun. It was a beautiful, historic old town. I got socked in by rain for a few days, but lots to see and do around here nearby. The Cave of Swallows was really, really cool.
I'm glad you got socked in because that meant you waited around for me to catch up with you. Everybody, this is Wobbly Cat, and you can find him on all kinds of Instagram and Facebook. And where can everybody find you?
Instagram is at Wobbly Cat, like over there. And Facebook as well, Wobbly Cat, that's 2 words, Wobbly and Cat. I've got a page which I don't really use, or a personal account, so the personal account is probably better.
And the best part is you can actually meet up with him in person. He's not one of those celebrities that's too aloof to actually hang out with real people. Thanks, buddy. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, man.
Bye, guys. Fist bump. Boom. We'll see you around.
All right, see ya.
You're not on the run. Leave behind everything you fear. There's a life source in the heart of the mountain. It will guide you to the place you call home. The wild is calling you. You know what to do. So leave behind everything you fear.
Well, it's goodbye, Xilitla, and the sun is out. Look at that view. This is going to be an amazing day. I am riding up and over and through and around the incredible, look at that, the incredible Sierra Madre Oriental mountains. So heading from the eastern coast area over the mountains into the central plateau area today. And I'm told that the road that I'm taking is like the tail of the dragon, only for 2 hours long. So if you've ever ridden the tail of the dragon, your mouth is probably watering right now. I'm just excited the sun is out. We got rained on yesterday, got all our gear dried overnight, had a nice beautiful place to stay. Airbnb, and a mutual friend, Rosendo. You remember the guy who helped me cross the border? He had a friend in Xilitla who hooked us up with a room, and just a wonderful host on Airbnb. And his Airbnb, if you ever want to look it up, is Casa Colibri in Xilitla, which means House of the Hummingbirds. Anyway, off to a fun day. You guys enjoy the video, and I'll catch up with you soon.
The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through. And every step quicker than the last, my feet tread down this beaten path, and I keep on pushing through. 'Cause I get up and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. Yeah, I get up and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. And oh, I've come too far in this to raise my flag and call it quits. So I keep on pushing through. Oh, with every step my heart it pounds. Yes, so sure I've had my doubts, but I must keep pushing through. Yeah, I get up and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground.
This looks like a cute little mountain town. Try and find something to eat. Let's see what we can find. This looks like as good a place as any. There's Trinity parked in the street in this cute little town. And I'm in this neat little restaurant having some lunch. I'll show you real quick. I'm having huevo rancheros for 40 pesos, which is roughly $2. It's delicious. Check out that view. Oh, what a cute little town. I took a little detour on my way over the mountains to visit Ranas archaeological site. Kind of off the beaten path, not the big names you normally think of like Tikal or Chichen Itza. But a local told me about it, and it was about 45 minutes out of my way, so I said, what the heck? And to get there, I just pulled into this tiny little cute little mountain town. Oh, that is beautiful. And this is very steep. Kind of a cute little thing. I never would have visited it had I not take the word of a local. Some of the best advice I've gotten is from local people, local inhabitants, not from guidebooks or travel guides. So let's go check out this archaeological preserve, see what it's like. This is pretty cool. Just got to this Ranas Archaeological Preserve, and was founded, apparently it was discovered outside that city that I drove through. San Joaquin is the name of that city, and it gets that name from the hundreds and millions of frogs that inhabit a local lake. There was a mining engineer of some sort who was poking around in the area and discovered this city. It's basically a walled city right on this little edge overlooking this huge mountain valley, and it's beautiful. It's a great location. It was designed specifically to have only one way in and one way out. Not a lot's known about it, but it's definitely very old and definitely very cool. So if you're ever in the San Joaquin area of Mexico, highly recommended. Rode over the beautiful mountains today. We stopped and saw some amazing ancient ruins. Rode some of the most amazing twisties I have ever been on. Had some of my favorite huevos rancheros in a sleepy little mountain town that I don't even know the name. So it's been a great day. I appreciate you guys following along, and if you get a chance, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel down below and share it with everybody you know. Well, I'm getting close to my destination. Today's accommodations are going to be with my friend Joel in a little town called Tecozautla in the state of Hidalgo. Joel, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Oh, brother. Okay, I follow. No, I follow you. Yeah. My buddy Joel came all the way out to the intersection and met me. That way I wouldn't have any trouble finding his house. That is so cool. Well, today's been an amazing day. Check out that church. Got to ride some of the most epic curvy roads in the world. Saw some cool ruins. Ate some amazing huevos rancheros. It's been a great day, and now I'm connected to my friend Joel, and we're gonna have some fun. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next episode.
Continue straight.